How to connect Minecraft to TikTok Live. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Minecraft server to TikTok Live using a free tool called Tikfinity. This setup lets your viewers interact with your game in real time, sending gifts that spawn mobs, give you items, or trigger caser effects. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a Tikfinity account. First, go to tikfinity.0.1 and create a free account. Once you're in, connect your TikTok account so Tikfinity can receive your live events. Step 2. Download the Minecraft plugin. Next, go to the Setup tab in Tikfinity. Choose Minecraft Connection and copy your connection key. Now head over to your Minecraft server. Make sure you're using a Paper MC or another plugin compatible version. Install the TikTok Live plugin by downloading from Spigot or their website. Drop into your server's plugins folder and restart the server. Step 3. Link Minecraft to Tikfinity. Back in Tikfinity, paste your server IP port and the connection key. Once it connects, you're ready to assign commands. Step 4. Set up interactions. Click on Actions and create custom responses for TikTok events. For example, when someone sends a gift, spawn a zombie. When you get a new follower, give a diamond sword. Step 5. Go live. Now, go live on TikTok and start playing. As people send gifts or follow you, those interactions will show you up in their game. It's super fun and great for engagement. And that's it. That was a tutorial on how to connect Minecraft to TikTok Live using Tikfinity. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.